Hey guys, so today was another great day of trading. Look at gold is pumping like crazy. This is our trade that we did. All these I post on my Telegram group. So if you see right here, we got in right here. Now let me just explain the idea behind this. You look at gold, like what? Almost hitting 5,000, 4,958. Oh my goodness. Okay, so right now, this trade that I post in Telegram group, you got a touch point here. Okay, so you got a touch point here, got a touch point here. And you see the breakout. Look at this fair value gap or manipulation candle, whatever you want to call it. Look at that breakout. So I got in at the retest right here, but you could have gotten in here, could have gotten in here, and then it would be fine because it's retesting this area right here. I decided that, yeah, I just want to get it because sometimes gold is pumping like it's really going. And anyway, so this is a good area to get in for a you risk $1 to make $2, right? So risk to reward is very, very good. 2 to 1, not a 1 to 1 on this one. So I'm very, very happy with it. This is our other trade. Here we got in here and went out here. And now you see the trend reversal, the breakout right here. And then you go. That's it. So if you're curious about this, go to my Telegram channel. I post all these before I make the trades. I've been trading more the 15-minute chart now versus just a 1-minute chart. So anyways, let's talk about the bot now, which is doing amazing. Let's check out the bot. We have made $290 today. Wow. Let's check for the week. We have made for the week 4,500. Crushing it. Let's go all the way back and then we can see it's got October, and it was like mid-October, I believe it was, we started. Now we are sitting at $15,935. We put in 15K. It says 16, but we put in 15 because you get like a bonus and stuff. So anyways, we're crushing it. Within, 3 months now, it's doubled. So you take your principal out, and you just keep going. High risk, no doubt about it, but it's working. And gold has been pumping like crazy. And just scalping. So with this, why do I need to trade like I do? I'm just like, anyways, still making money on the manual trading. But if you're interested in this, send me a message. I can hit you with the guys. I'm working more closely with them now because I'm telling you, this bot trading is amazing. Like, anyways, it's cool. Okay, got any questions? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I'll post everything in the Telegram group of the trades that I do. But if you want to do the bot trading, I'll send you over to the guys and they'll help you out with that. Oh, and I forgot with these trades, our small account challenge is now we're at $341.18. Had a couple of losses at the beginning, and that's why it was so low. But now we're at $341.18, and what's that, like 11% growth? So anyways, we're doing good. I'm going to keep, that's the manual trading that I'm doing some different techniques for that or different strategies. Follow in the Telegram group, and then you can follow along with that as well. All right, hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye.